What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again, guys. So today we're going to install a 24mm Nibbi racing carburetor 150 Evoque. Shout out to Evoque again, man, guys. That's what's up. And also the guide throttle cable snap. We're going to put a brand new throttle cable, a brand new setup, and also wait, I forgot to mention this one, guys. We're going to install a 17 teeth sprocket for more top end speed. So guys, if you have any one of these bikes, 150, 140, it doesn't matter, 250, Apollo, any Chinese dirt bike, pit bike, whatever you want to call it, if you're looking for more top speed, change these factory style carb, put any 26 or 24mm Nibbi racing carburetor, but don't forget, you gotta put 17 teeth sprocket up front. And your bike, I'm not sure which sprocket can fit, but come inside over here, the camera. We also gonna take this cover off. The front sprocket sit right here, okay? If you have a new 150 and you're gonna install the 17 teeth sprocket, you may have to change the chain. For some reason, the chain on this bike is a little bit more shorter, so we may have to put a longer chain on it. Guys, do me a favor, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Lots more video coming up this summer. Stick around, guys, more still coming up. So guys, we just take the old carb off. So this is the whole one, right? It's this one is a PZ26. Usually they are PZ30, but they like to bug out a lot, and we cannot tune them. I want to show you the ear screw. Come inside the camera. This is the ear screw all the way underneath the bottom, right? So if this were on the bike like that, right? How would you tune the ear screw when it's underneath the bottom like that, right? So take a look at the Nibbi, guys. Take a look at the Nibbi. Come inside here. Check it out. You see the ear screw is right beside of the idle screw for easy access. So we bolt the carb on like this. Check this out. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that. Perfect fit. So if you're looking for more speed, 24mm Nibbi. Come back inside the camera again. Let's talk about the ear screw again. So the ear screw is on the outside right here for easy access, right? Not like this carb underneath the bottom. So guys, don't forget, you gotta put the, come back inside here again for a second. You gotta put a gasket in between the intake manifold and the carb, okay? So guys, stick around, guys. Let's put this one on. Just like that. Guys, you know what? I see a lot of you guys when you install Nibbi, or a lot of time you guys having issue about jetting. I never do any jetting on any Nibbi carb I install. Not once, never. I always tune it perfect by the ear screw and the idle screw. I never do any jetting, never ever. The easiest way out to tune it is by the ear screw and the idle screw. You don't have to do no jetting, guys. I never do jetting. So anyways, guys, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Stick around, guys, more still coming up. hope it doesn't get hit by a car. So guys, we just installed the 24mm Nibbi racing carburetor. So and also we put a new throttle setup on it. Come around on this side with the camera. Come around here. Come around here, guys. Check it out, guys. But we didn't tune it as yet. We didn't even start the bike as yet. So as you can see, the bike is on the stand. So let's load the Nibbi fire back, guys. All right, so this is the throttle setup what we put on it, and we get rid of that little play. Look at it, there's no play in it, guys. So come over here now, come over this side, guys. So guys, if you're looking for more top end speed, don't forget you can change this sprocket over here up front, right? It's a 14 teeth, okay? So let's open this one right here, guys. Yeah, so this one is 17 teeth, right? As you can see, guys, it's more bigger, right? So this one gonna make more top end speed combined with a Nibbi racing carburetor. So come back inside again with the camera. Come back inside here again. If you're looking to upgrade your sprocket, you got to make sure you get the correct one, right? So if you have a 420 chain, you have to get the sprocket in 420. If you have a 428 like this bike what we're working on right here, it's a 428 the chain. So the sprocket is a 428. But come back inside. One more important tips right here, guys. You got to make sure you get the right size for this shaft right here. So for this bike what we're working on, the shaft right here, the millimeter right here is 20 millimeter. Usually on the 140 and the 125, the diameter right in here is a 17 millimeter, right? So that's the shaft right here. So this one is 20 millimeter. So we already take the master link off, and if you have a 150, they make the swing arm on the back a little bit more shorter. So also they make the chain more shorter. So this bike we're going to have to upgrade the chain to a longer 428 chain. So guys, like the video as well as I said, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Lots more video coming up. So stick around, guys. We're going to put this sprocket on. So guys, remember what I said. If you're looking for top speed, change this sprocket, okay? So let's measure these one together. So take a look, guys. Take a look at that. So you can see the big difference of this one, right? 17 teeth, and this one is check it out. It's a 14 teeth, 428. Don't forget that, 428, okay? So let's put this guy on. Always turn the 428 on the outside part, just in case you want to change it in the future. So take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that. So there you got it right there. Look at that. See the big difference? Yep. So we're gonna just put this one on, put the chain on, put some Loctite on the bolt. But don't forget, guys, you gotta Loctite these sprocket bolt. They will come loose. You gotta take them out. You gotta use the extra strength red Loctite on them. So stick around for that clip coming up, guys. Let's put this guy on together. And I like to put some just a little bit of Loctite on these 10 millimeter. I see them come loose already before, so I always like to apply some Loctite. I use the red Loctite, guys. You can use whatever Loctite, blue one. I like the red one for these Chinese dirt bike. Don't forget to put this lock pin over, okay? this one is the one where secure the sprocket onto the shaft, okay? Yeah, just like that. Guys, we're doing a roadside assistant in Brampton. Okay, just like that. Just a little bit. You don't have to go crazy on the Loctite on this one, guys. No more than that. This is the extra strength, right? And make sure when you're doing this, the bike is in gear, right? If the bike is in neutral, this sprocket gonna spin around, right? So bike is in gear. And when you're done, don't just trust the drill alone, right? Use the ratchet and tighten it a little bit. But where is this goddamn ratchet? Okay. But guys, make sure not to over tighten them because you don't want to strip them, right? Okay, just like that. We're good right there. Okay guys, stick around, more still coming up. So guys, we put this sprocket and we tighten the 10mm. We put the locking pin perfect. So come more over here with the camera. So yeah, we put the chain. The chain, we just need to pull the wheel back a little bit more to tension up the chain. And guys, if you put this sprocket, and it's rocking like that, it's all good. So long as the locking pin is in place, you have nothing to worry about. So we're just gonna put this cover back, and we're gonna push the wheel back a little bit, put some more tension on the chain, and we're gonna lock tight a few bolts, and then we're gonna get the hell out of here, man. So guys, stick around. And also we're gonna start the bike up, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to tune these Nibbi carb. So stick around guys, more coming up. Yep. Ready? So guys, we did take the sprocket bolt out, but we forgot we didn't make a video on that. So we apply extra strength to red Loctite. If you have any Chinese dirt bike, pit bike, anyone, so long as it's Chinese, make sure to put Loctite on these sprocket bolts. They will come loose, and when they come loose, you don't realize. You're riding, one come out, two come out, three come out. You sprocket came off, damage your hub, you need a brand new rim. So don't forget that, very important. And also this one, very important, come inside of here, this one. Don't forget to put Loctite on this one, guys. They are very important, because what happened is that I seen it happen before, right? So hear me out. One come loose, you don't realize you're still riding. Two come loose, caliper come off, and look what the caliper does when it come off. It go inside here like that, go through these spokes, and you're riding at a high speed, and you can flip over the handlebar like that. So don't forget to Loctite those one. And also on this bike, all of these one down here, we support the engine right here, you have to Loctite them. These one over here, you have to Loctite them. So don't forget. So that's what we're gonna do now. And once we Loctite those one, we're gonna start the bike up, tune the carb, and we're gonna make the guy go for a test ride. So stick around for that clip coming up, guys. The moment of truth we've been waiting for. I didn't even start the bike as yet. We just put the gas inside. I opened the drain plug underneath the carb to make sure that gas is running out, and gas did run out. So I didn't even start the bike as yet. So let's see if the bike gonna start. The keys in, broski. Okay, all right. So let's see, guys. Whoa, it's in gear.
Broski, not near my car.
I'm Evoke Squad, okay? What the? What the hell is this? Wait. I gotta put this on pause. What the hell is coming down the road, broski? What is this? What is this? Yo. Guys, I was gonna start the bike, but yo, that's sick. Man is rolling people here in Brampton, bro. Yo, these guys ain't. Guys, I forgot. When you're gonna start it, make sure to put the choke up at first. So yeah, that was the problem. I didn't put the choke up at first. So come inside. I want to show them the choke on the Nibbi. Come inside here. And this is the choke right here. It's a pull-up style choke. It's different from the other carb. Okay. So anyways, that's what I said. This is the first time starting the bike. So let's start it up again and tune the carb. So guys, as you can see, I didn't even touch the ear screw. So I know a lot of you guys out there, when you install Nibbi, you're having problem, you're hoping it, you're doing jetting and all of that. You see, I just started the bike up. I didn't even touch the ear screw. Nothing. I just touched the idle screw a little bit, and it looked like I may not have to tune it, guys. But you know what? Let's start it up one more time again. Let's put the choke back down and let's start it up again and see. But so far, so good. Okay, come around here. So guys, yeah, we have to tune it, all right? Right here. Guys, we just tuned the 24mm Nibbi racing carburetor, and as you can hear, I was just racing the bike and no bug, no lag. Let's start the bike up again one more time. One kick and it started. So let's race it up. Come over here with the camera, right here. Guys, check it out. Tune the cab, perfect. No bug, no lag, nothing. So the bike is up and running. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna let you guys start the bike up. I'm gonna make him go for a test ride. Broski, start the bike up. Go for a ride, Broski. Just watch my car, Broski. So guys, thanks for watching the video, man. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have a problem with the dirt bike. Don't forget to eat up Evo Squad, man. We outside. Watch that. One kick. Guys, also the sound of the exhaust and everything changed. And he's riding the 2023 Evo 150. I'll stop the camera. You hear the sound in that? 24mm Nibbi racing carburetor, 17 teeth sprocket up front for more top end speed. Right out here in Brampton, man. The bike sound amazing, the bike run good. You have the performance exhaust and the 2023 one from Evo. I heard the guy. He's coming again. He's coming again. No bug, no lag, nothing. Bike run crazy. So you know what? We're gonna just hear what the guy have to say when he come back, and then we're gonna get the hell out of here, man. More guys still waiting. What do you think?
Power, bro.
What do you think?
Yeah, and this is really late, bro.
Yeah.
So much power. Holy.
So how you like 17 teeth sprocket 24mm?
Fucking fast. Much better, bro. Much better.
No bug,
No bugs. Perfect. Bro.
no log, nothing, eh?
It's too good. Too good.
Too good, eh? So guys, as you can hear, what more can I say? The guy's so happy.
Yes, sir.
No bug, no log.
So sick.
So smooth, eh?
So much better, bro.
Yeah, man.
Compared to how I rode before, so much better.
Yeah, man.
Holy.
Sick, crazy, eh?
Too crazy.
Yeah, man. Guys, as I said, we also put a brand new throttle setup on it. The guy said it's so smooth. But anyways, guys, like the video, share the video again. Peace out from Brampton.